Hello everyone, we are going to make a beautiful red flower by using this pencil color in red color only. First we are going to make the petals in round shape, and then in the center we're going to use yellow pencil color, and then we're going to use green pencil color for the leaves and the stem. Next, we are going to make a pink flower starting by making the petals. At first, we're going to make some zigzag lines, leaving some spaces like this and then joining them all together. After they are ready, we are going to join them to the middle part. After that, we are going to repeat the same step once more like we did earlier. After that, we are going to make a knot at the bottom, and then we are going to make two stems joining along with the knot. After they are done, we are going to move ahead towards the long leaves, which we are going to make at both of the sides of these two flowers. Then we're going to color it by using pink colored sketch pen. You can use any color you want, and then we are using orange color for coloring the knot and green color for the stem and the leaves. Next, starting by making the first one and then the second one, we are going to make different types of petals in all of them. And when they are ready, you can go ahead and color them with any color as per your choice. Next, we're going to start making the petals by making these long lines, as you can see, joining with each other. After that, we are again going to make some more lines, and then in the middle we are using dark yellow color for the spots. Then we're going to move ahead towards the stem and the leaves. We are using green color for making them, and then you can see your flower is completed.